Did we get a card? Ooh, we do get a card. Hi everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you've stopped by because you've been curious what comes in a little Luxely bag, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Okay, I don't know why. I'm so influenceable. I saw an unboxing of this little Luxely bag. Luxely Beauty Box is a $36.99 per month beauty subscription, and then they have a little guy. This is $20 a month. At the time, I thought, hey, why not? I can do an unboxing. Now that I'm looking at the size, I don't know. Let's unbox it, and maybe it's really good. I'll be like, yes. It does cost $20. That includes tax and shipping, so it was flat $20, which is awfully close to $25 for a BoxyCharm and Ipsy. But I don't know. Maybe this will be good. All right, I'm rambling. Let's dig in and see what the $20 got me and whether this will be a one and done or if I will continue on with the subscription. Yeah, I don't even remember where I saw this from. And apologies, you probably won't be able to hear it, but my husband's mowing our lawn and I can hear the lawnmower bugging me, but maybe over the camera and the, you can't hear it. But I'm going to continue on with filming. All right. Ooh, look. You get a bag reminiscent of what you get in Ipsy. This feels, I don't know what this material is. It's like stiff and kind of like canvas, but not quite canvas. It's very cute though. 4th of July themed. Did we get a card? Ooh, we do get a card. All right. What is this first item? This is from Dr. H, and it's Pure Hyaluronic Anti-Aging Lip Plump. Okay, you had me at hyaluronic acid. You had me at anti-aging. You lost me a little bit with the lip plump. I'm just not my jam. But let's see what the card has to say. Are you kidding me? This retails for $89. How's it we haven't received this in a BoxyCharm? Wow, that's crazy. Okay, it says it provides the ultimate hydration to your lips, reducing the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Your lips will look and feel plump, healthy, and hydrated. Contains pure hyaluronic acid, known for its amazing ability to retain water and moisture in the skin. This natural molecule is a must for hydrated skin and reducing the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Alright, here is what product looks like. And assume it's going to have a doe foot, yes. And you do put it on your lips. It's a very interesting scent. It reminds me of, maybe it's eucalyptus. I don't know, it's smelling like one of those icy patches or something like that. Okay, well, expensive and pricey. Just not my cup of tea. All right, what else did we get? All right, so here's the next item. What is this? This is from Patchology, and it's the Just Let It Glow mask, and it retails for $5. Okay, I know how to use that product. Not that I do, but this bag, it's interesting. Okay, next item. We have a tiny sample from Kenra. It's a volume dry shampoo. Okay, one of the few hair products I do use. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh, that smells lovely. Don't ask me to describe the scent. It's like nice hair care, kind of floral, kind of fruity, just soft and not obnoxious. I'm going with that. Not obnoxious is the scent. Okay, wow, there's a lot of words on there. This retails for $7. Blah, 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 blah. Dry shampoo. Okay. Pro tip, I will read that. After spraying, use a hair dryer on your roots for about 20 seconds. Random. I'll just, so you can see. That's a lot of words for a little dry shampoo. Okay. I'm in a weird mood. I normally don't film on Mondays. Alright, what is this next item? What? I don't know. Oh, okay, I can see it now. Interesting packaging. It has like people like dancing or ice skating or I don't know. It's one of those little hair bubble thingies. It's clear and kind of looks like anyone old enough to know what a phone cord used to look like. Those little curly, stretchy ones from the 80s. Yeah. So this is Goomee clear hair tie, and it retails for $8.99. Dollar Tree. Yeah. Okay. Can you guys predict if I will renew this subscription? And the last item, we have a product from Oryza Beauty, and it's a Dewy Glow Balm for skin, lips, and nails. You put something on your lips and then goes on your neck. That's weird. Let me know if you've heard of. I know they have lip and cheek products. I've never heard of something that's for your lips, skin, and nails. This retails for $11.95. It says an all-purpose skin and lip balm with UVA, UVB filters, moisturizing, anti-inflammatory, protective, and soothing for all skin types. It does come as safety sealed. All right, let's recap what we got in this bag. I guess the value, I mean, $89. Do I like or want to use this? I will. I now own it. It is $89, but just wasn't ecstatic about this bag. But let's recap. So, a really expensive bougie lip serum, an interesting balm that you can put pretty much anywhere except for your hair, a hair doohickey mabob. I have short hair. Will never use that. A nice smelling dry shampoo, which I will use. Never heard of the brand Kenra. And a face mask. Comment down below. Is this worth $20? Honestly, for me, not really. I don't use face masks. This balm scares me. I don't know. Maybe it's nice for my lips. Like, why would you put it? To me, if you can put it on your nails and your skin and your lips, isn't that basically Vaseline? Don't know why that's worth $8. Would never use. This is nice. This may be nice. At this point, I have lip products on. But let's see if it stings or does something weird. It feels like a lip gloss and stinks like Grandpa's ointment. I mean, why do you want that near your lips? All right. I'm going to list on the screen the grand total. This product's going to skew this. I don't know. I don't know if this value is always that high. It claimed the little mini bag or whatever this thing's called, the Luxely little bag, has a retail value of like $50. So why is there an $89 product in there? I don't know. That's throwing me for a loop. I will be heading straight to the interwebs and canceling this guy. Why? Why did I pick this bag up? It's like you watch an unboxing and it's like, oh, that's pretty good. And then you subscribe and then you know, your inaugural month is like a bad box month. Let me know if there was anything redeeming in this bag that you would enjoy. Put it this way, I feel like I did a community service and saved you all from spending your $20 because I don't like this bag. All right, well, thank you for stopping by and watching. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love for you to subscribe. For those who have, thank you. Do me a huge favor. Click the thumbs up. It's somewhere right around there. And up there is a link to my 500 subscriber giveaway, which is right around the corner. All of the details will be listed in that video. All right. Thanks, everyone.